You know, as an entrepreneur, it is so important for us to be able to capture new things and apply it to our business. I'm gonna give you 4 tips on how to learn new things and make it fun. Let's go. So if you are here for the first time, my name is TARAE MORTON. I help business owners overcome stress and burnout by teaching ways to improve health, income, and influence. Stick around to the end of the video. I have a nice bonus for you. Let's get into the 4 tips. Tip number 1, become a copious note taker. You have to take notes because you want to retain the information that you're receiving so that you can go out there and apply it. Here are some ways to take notes while you're learning content and how to retain it. So if you're listening or watching a video, you can watch the video just for note-taking purposes and then go back and watch the video just to retain it audibly. Or if you are a visual learner, you can go back and watch and look at the different illustrations without taking notes and then put it all together as you study. So for example, you may have a day where you just want to retain the information audibly or visually, or you may just go back and just look at the notes and say, okay, yeah, I remember them saying that in the video. Either way, the best way to study is what works for you. There's no right or wrong way, just pick one and call it your own. Number 2. Learn new things that interest you. Like for example, you may want to be a better photographer. You may want to be a better videographer. You may want to be a better gamer. Either way, find something that really interests you and then go all in with it. It doesn't have to be business related. This may be something that just brings a certain level of relief or fulfillment to your life. Study it, enjoy the process, and continue to engage in it. I'll share a personal story. I wanted to learn the ins and outs of YouTube before I decided to put videos out. So I put myself in a situation where I can retain the information, I can continue to consume it, and I took notes, I paid for courses. I was able to engage in courses and activities to keep my attention. I also read books on the subject as well. So again, find something that you enjoy and fully engage in it. Number 3, find ways to study multiple channels. There's one channel in particular that I like for productivity, and it is called The Improvement Pill. The Improvement Pill teaches you so many things. They simplify so many complexities that the human mind would think of. Like for example, one video in particular that I've enjoyed was how the body responds to eating 2 eggs per day. So if you want to check out the Improvement Pill channel, I'll leave a link in this video, and leave a comment. Let me know how the channel benefited you. And number 4, study something that can benefit a community that you are serving or that you belong to. Like for example, some people may need photo shoots. Some people may need videography. You can go and study that information. You can join online groups, you can go to YouTube channels, and you can go to different retailers and find out the information that they're studying so that you can become successful in that as well. If you made it this far, it's time for the bonus. We are in business to be successful, right? The bonus is study successful people. I have 3 successful people that you can study today. You have Elon Musk, Oprah Winfrey, and Jeff Bezos. I want you to look at some of the hacks that they've engaged in, and then I want you to bring one back to this channel and tell me which one you want to call your own. Leave a comment below. And if you made it this far and you enjoyed this video, why don't you click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you never miss a video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.